3 silly tips about the gas cap in an Aston Martin DB9. In this episode of Aston1936.com, I'm covering a pretty silly topic that kind of seems like it'd be obvious at the first part. I want to teach you some simple tips about using the gas cap in an Aston Martin DB9. You'd think it'd be pretty obvious, but as Jeremy Clarkson made famous in the Top Gear episode on the race to Monte Carlo, at his first gas stop, he could not figure out how to open the gas cap lid.
Light on. This is going to be a Formula One style pit stop, this is. Where's the fuel filler cap button? Why don't they put them in the same place? Have you ever seen a more stupid place to put a fuel filler cap release?
So the first mystery of how to do that is you sit and fumble around and you're like, where is the gas cap release? It is right here underneath the dash in this little nook where my fingertip is touching right now. That is almost impossible to see unless you know it's there. So give it a push and the gas cap opens up. The next tip is, I've seen a few people in the post, well, what do you do with the gas cap when you're refilling? It just hangs here. How do you, hook it? See this little tip on the gas cap body? See this little rubber grommet? This is where it goes while you're filling up. You just insert it like that and you're good to go. And the final tip is, well, what happens if the button doesn't work and you can't get the cap to pop open? Is there some sort of electrical issue? Well, there's an emergency release here inside the trunk, the boot for those of you from the UK. And if you get inside here, you'll notice this little slit in the trunk liner over here, and there's a little white hook. That's the emergency release. Just give that a pull down with your finger, and voila, your gas cap is open. So I know that one was a quick and silly one, but hopefully it helps a few of you out there. So if you didn't know all 3 of those things, please go ahead and leave a comment down below so the rest of the people that think I'm nuts for posting that will see that at least somebody learned a new trick. Up here you'll find a link to whatever my next video is. If you'd like to be automatically notified of videos, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and you'll automatically get notified. And as always, I love to hear your comments. Please leave those down below. Thanks for watching.